Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making sure the basics are ready. Connect to Wi-Fi, charge to at least 50%, and free a bit of storage so downloads succeed. Once done, check settings to note your Android version. That matters for compatibility. Then open the Google Play Store and confirm you're signed into the account you use for apps. From here, you'll access Play Store settings and app pages, so don't exit. Stay inside the Play Store to continue with the update sequence. Next, go straight to the Play Store profile icon, choose Settings, then About, and tap Update Play Store if the option appears. That forces the store to fetch the newest build. Make sure Google Play Services is current by visiting its Play Store page and updating it too, because the store depends on those components. Also, set Auto Update Apps under Network Preferences. Pick Wi-Fi only to save data, or disable Auto Updates if you want to control each app manually. This avoids unexpected changes. To finalize, restart the tablet so system services restart and any pending updates apply. Then open Play Store and confirm the About section shows a newer version. Test by updating or installing a small app. Successful installs confirm the update worked. If something goes wrong, clear the Play Store cache and data in Settings right arrow Apps, and if that fails, uninstall Play Store updates to revert and let it update again. If problems persist, repeat the restart and check storage and network before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.